So this is a major snowstorm that we're having here in Toronto and pretty much all southwestern, southeastern areas of Ontario. And as you can see, I got out of my car to get some footage for you of what does a heavy snowstorm look like in Ontario, Canada. And there you go, the snow was still very soft, so I was able to get into the car, drive out of the plaza, and head home. But it took me 3 hours to get home, even though the journey itself was supposed to be 1 hour in regular weather. So there you go, that is Canada for you. Everyone drive safe and come on down if you are brave. Subscribe for more.